So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing this video for both Autovive and Ricara James, and it's an apology to my subscribers. I know, well, I should be saying welcome back to me. Oh my god, I know I haven't been posting much to the channel, but I have to come and, you know, apologize to you guys. I've not been consistent for a while now. The last time I posted was probably last year, December. And you know, not an excuse, not an excuse, but I've had so much to do. I've had so much doing that, you know, it was kind of difficult creating videos for both channels. So for my subscribers, I really do apologize. And for this year, you will definitely see more content coming out for both the Ricara James and Autovive YouTube channel. If you don't know what you know, Autovive is all about, because that's what took up most of my time from posting to the Ricara James. Ricara James is all about technology, it's all about gadgets, it's about devices, you know, that will help someone or help you to solve a problem. And the reason I've been neglecting that is I've been placing most of my time on Autovive, trying to build that into, you know, a business, into a movement to help persons who are selling their vehicles. I've done no training whatsoever in videos, so I don't know anything, so I'm learning on my own. For me to do better videos or create better content, what I did was to seek out an opportunity in video production, and I got a job creating wedding videos surrounded by a team of awesome guys that, you know, they go above and beyond to help you learn. If there's something that you don't know, they are quick to come and say, oh yo, this is how you do this and this is how you do that, and here's an easy approach. So I'm grateful for that. So I'm surrounded by a team of awesome guys, and this is what's helping me now to, you know, create better content. So, you know, of course, the 9 to 5 takes up most of my time. So, you know, that's another reason why I'm not pushing out content more consistently to the channel. So please bear with me. It's a new year. You know, I've learned a few new things, and I will be using this knowledge to help and build the channel, to push in the channel, push into production. And you know, you guys can tell me what you think, but definitely I'm coming with more content this year, coming with more videos for you guys this year, seeking out more tech, more devices to bring to you guys, devices that will solve a problem. That's the aim of the Ricara James YouTube channel. I know I'm switching between Autovive, Ricara James, but when you hear me talk about tech and devices, that's over on Ricara James. That's what that channel is all about. Vehicles over on Autovive. So yeah, for Ricara James, I'm seeking out new devices, old devices, anything technology related, gadget related, to bring to you guys, to show you how this particular gadget or technology device or whatever it is can solve a problem. That's what the Ricara James YouTube channel is all about. If you go through and look at my previous videos, for the persons who are not yet subscribed, if you go through and look in my videos or look in, you know, those like catalog, you will see that most of my videos are how to, you know, how you can solve a problem, how you can use this device to solve a problem, how this new device will benefit you, how this old device can be used in a different way, and so forth. But this video is really just apologizing to my subscribers and the people who watch my videos. I mean, I know you're tuned in hoping for more, and definitely for this year, I will hold myself to that. I'm gonna hold myself accountable to give you guys at least a video each week until that can, you know, grow into something more. So again, I apologize for, you know, being absent from the scene. And you know, thank you guys for consistently tuning in, for, you know, being there, you know, supporting this channel. It's a different channel. I have challenges with the channel because, you know, for Ricara James, when I seek out tech, I have to purchase it, then I have to pay for customs charges because, you know, I'm in Jamaica. These devices are not made in Jamaica. So it's kind of challenging on that aspect. Also, when I reach out to manufacturers, you know, they will sometimes agree to send the device. They want it here in a particular time so I can do a review. A lot of times it's delayed, and then that just messes everything up. Messes up a relationship, and you know, it's kind of like, oh fuck, what do I do? You know, hopefully that can be solved, you know, that can be worked out. I'm now, you know, seeing other companies that, you know, I'm going to be reaching out to, so hopefully, you know, they can understand based on the fact that I'm, you know, not in the US or not in Canada, and it will take a little time for devices to come. But as I said, this video is an apology to you guys. Hope you understand. You know, content will be coming soon. More content will be coming soon. And thank you for staying here. Thank you for tuning in. And yo, as always, bless up on yourself.